What is going on, everybody? Finally, this bitch is a rolling chassis. I can go, well, I can't pedal, but I can push this motherfucker down the road and, do my thing. Just check me out. Anyways, so y'all know what that means. When you have a rolling chassis, that's the beginning. Not until it gets to the point where you can push that motherfucker down the street or up in your shop or whatever the case may be, is when, you're getting somewhere. Not until then. But I'm there now. So, y'all do as I always say. Stay tuned. Again, let me get one more look. Rolling chassis, baby. So, be prepared. Next I'm gonna be, you know what I mean? So, ain't gonna be no gas, but you know what I mean. All electric, baby. Y'all, deuces.